Welcome to our Braun Trimmer Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and Series 7. Both of these grooming kits are designed to provide versatility and convenience, but they cater to different needs and budgets. We'll explore their features, battery life, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Braun Series 5 is priced at $64, making it an affordable option for those looking for a versatile grooming tool. In contrast, the Series 7 comes in at $119, which reflects its additional features and premium build quality. If you're on a budget, the Series 5 is a fantastic choice, but if you're willing to invest more for enhanced performance, the Series 7 may be worth it. Next up is battery life. The Series 5 offers an 80-minute cordless runtime, which is decent for most grooming tasks. However, the Series 7 outshines it with a 100-minute runtime, giving you more flexibility and time for grooming without needing to recharge. This longer battery life can be a significant advantage for users who prefer longer grooming sessions. Finally, let's discuss the features. The Series 5 is a 9-in-1 trimmer that includes a beard trimmer, body trimmer, and hair clippers, providing great versatility. On the other hand, the Series 7 is a 12-in-1 trimmer, offering additional functionalities like contouring and fading, along with a charging stand and premium case. If you want more attachments and advanced features, the Series 7 is the way to go. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and Series 7 have their strengths. The Series 5 is an excellent budget-friendly option, while the Series 7 offers superior features and performance for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helped you decide which trimmer suits your grooming needs best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.